We should do e-girl makeup. E-girl makeup. It's like a TikTok thing. So I'm gonna be using ColourPop makeup, of course, guys. Use AvaGG G15 for a discount.
It was the best I could do.
She looks super cute.
Yeah.
The only problem is I don't have eyelashes and I can't find my mascara.
Okay, so I have the buns now. Not the most impressive ones, but I'm going to jump into
buns. I need another hair tie. I think I found mascara, yay!
And here I can go extreme, so I'm not.
Are my buns looking cute? Chat.
Potatoes.
Okay,
and I'm
so
going
it goes
to
on
use
the
this
nose.
powdery.
You know, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think I can put hearts
I'm
on
using
my
this
face.
color here, which
I don't
has
have
a little
mirror
bit of
in
glow.
front of me.
Is this like butterfly?
Oh god, that's the palette I have.
I've
This will
been
work perfectly then.
much better, so I'm going to do the same.
We definitely look the
other
same,
one.
huh?
Save myself.
Okay,
from
pink on the nose. Pink lipstick? Is this? Nope, that's peach. Oh god. Wait, where do they do it on the nose? I just did it down to the tip of my nose.
I just want to really put the color in, and then I can use the powder to blend it.
Maybe I'm just too white.
Help sort this out. I'm
Look
wrong.
like you're sick.
And
Look like you're sick. Oh god. Now looks really pink. Blend! Blend! We should play her song while we're blending. ColourPop use 5 AvaGG for discount. My first time using it. This is their Flutter palette they came out with. Too bad I don't have her makeup skills. This is the hard part. I don't know how to do like makeup like this. Like the eye shape, like she extends past her eye. Wait, what color did she use there? What color did she use? That peach color. How am I looking? Very makeup-y. I never wear this much makeup. I don't have a blending brush, but I need to blend this out a little bit. So she goes under the eye. Wow, you know, it really probably helps to have the right brushes and stuff for this. Holy. It's so pink. Maybe it'll look better with eyes. Why does it look? I feel like it looks good on her. Maybe because her eyes are so much bigger. We're mascaring our brows up.
So I'm going to do the other one. Now I'm gonna add.
Okay, that's some thick ass eyeliner. I need something to hold my mirror up. Don't judge me, Chad. It's a bottle of water. I cannot f this eyeliner up. I f***ed up. I f***ed up. I hate it. I feel like it's coming together, kinda. Too bad I don't have fake eyelashes. But I feel like fake ones just pull out all my natural lashes. And I can never get the glue off. And they're so annoying to deal with. Especially when you can't get them on right. Okay. Mascara done. Okay, now for the hearts. Oh god! This is gonna be so annoying. Okay, so it's like... Right. It's high cheek. Like right there. My hands are shaking so much. Such chunky heart on one side. Just be full of confidence. I have like shaking hand syndrome. Like I swear to God. I need to put my elbows down. My left heart is much cuter than my right heart. There we go. Oh god, I got black all over my fingers. Okay, what does she do for her lips?
So I managed to do the two little hearts. It was the best in the light.
See, the
yes,
lash...
I think I prefer this color.
Her lashes just look so much better. There! Our e-girl makeup. We gotta do the, what are they? They always do like some weird face. Ooh.
AvaGG!